What is going on? Daniel here from Signature Performance Tire and Wheel in Costa Mesa, California. Thank you for coming back and watching this YouTube today. You might have found us on Instagram or YouTube. Maybe you're just new to finding us, or maybe you already hit the subscribe button down below. I hate saying that, so cheesy. It is what it is. You want to follow our content, you got to hit subscribe. I am shooting another HD today. You're getting a variety of different people in front of the camera now. You got to see Jimmy. If you go watch some videos, Raymond's in there somewhere. So hopefully you'll get to see more of the team on these videos. We're shooting a lot of these trucks, a lot of the same parts with slight variations between the two. So we do find it very important to still shoot the same truck over and over and over and over again. So much to where I said, do we already shoot this truck? This one is different than one we did earlier this week. So depending when you see the video, that one you saw Jimmy, this one you'll see a better looking version of me. So anyways, this is Jeremy's truck. Jeremy's located in Paris, California. It's about 45 minutes or so, hour away from here. And he found us on Instagram and YouTube. So likely how you found us today is the same way Jeremy found us. And he went through our page, saw we've done a ton of HDs and said, okay, these guys definitely know what they're doing. So we're really proud of really finding ourselves a channel and a lane for these trucks and really being the go-to guys, not only for you local here, but if you want to ship your truck here, or if you call McGaughys, they will verify that we know what we're doing when it comes to these trucks. So we're really proud of that. We're really proud of taking pride in understanding these trucks. These trucks are different than a Ford straight axle front end or a Ram straight axle front end. They drive the best from the factory. And when you go to modify them, you can lose that feature very quickly if you don't handle your suspension and tires and wheels properly. So we do like to take the time here to do that. So enough of my rambling for you. Jeremy, again, like I said, is located in Paris. He was pretty dialed in as far as suspension when he called. He had watched enough videos. He'd seen what we do. So he went with our bread and butter, which is going to be that 4-inch McGaughys kit. You might ask why a 4-inch. You can look down there. You're going to see a really sweet cross member. Most of all, in order to keep the drivability on these trucks, you want to keep all your angles and everything as close to factory as possible. If you look at the CV axles, you look at the control arms, the tie rods, everything is really nice and flat. It's going to eliminate all that bump steer. It's going to maximize that drivability and that rideability. Also, one thing we do different here is we take the time to paint all of your undercarriage components that are going to be exposed. GM unfortunately leaves some components exposed, which turned rusty and grimy. They just look gross. And if you're spending all that money on your front end, the first thing you're going to do is climb under there. You're going to want it to look good. So we coat all that front end for you as well. If you don't have a GM and you want to have that done, we can also do that for you. So all those angles, again, going back to drivability, all exactly how they should be. Now, this base kit comes with either a standard M84 shock or an M84 Reservoir shock. The Reservoir shock is fairly new. We were one of the first people to test it, and we are selling them like crazy. They're not much of an upgrade in cost over the standard shock. As far as drivability on the road between a standard shock and a Reservoir shock, it's going to drive pretty close to the same. Off-road is really where you're going to see the difference. Simple description of what the Reservoir is. It's extra fluid that allows the shock to stay cool. The more off-road you're driving, the faster the suspension's working, the cooler the shock stays, the better it drives. However, if you're spending this much on your lift kit, why wouldn't you just put Reservoirs anyways? To me, the Reservoirs are the best looking part of the suspension outside of the upper control arm, which I'll get into in a minute. So this, again, this customer chose the Reservoir shock. I was the one that built this package with him. You can hear how much I love the Reservoir shock. Not shocking, no pun intended, that he chose the Reservoir. What you also see there is the McGaughys upper control arm. These are optional and not required on the 4-inch kits. If you wanted to adjust and get a little bit more height out of the front, you for sure are going to want the upper control arm, but they just look fantastic. They do give us a little bit more adjustability in the alignment, allowing us to really dial in the caster, but they look fantastic. We're already in there. If you want to do it, now would be the time. It does provide extra clearance under the front there. Show you right here. You can see all that down travel. Go look at some leveled trucks. I really want you guys to do that and understand why a 4-inch kit is so important for drivability. Go look at the clearance. I promise you it's sitting right here. No droop travel at all. Some companies want you to cut this bump stop out. Look, if you do it right, you don't have to do any of that. So just something to think about for you guys, okay? As far as tire clearance goes, we opted for a 37. He wanted a smaller wheel option, so we went with an 18-inch wheel. This truck has a lot of chrome trim, so he didn't want an all black wheel, so I suggested simple upgrade. We did chrome lug nuts on a black wheel, and then we did chrome valve stem caps on the valve stems, okay? This wheel here is the newest method wheel. It's called the MR709. This has their bead grip technology, which is super sweet. If you want to air down, these are going to keep the tires on the beads a lot more efficiently than a non-bead grip version would. These wheels are extremely customizable. So all of these little rivets, you can see these splines, bolts here. These will actually remove out of the wheel. They do sell a polished version as well. So I let him know that if this wasn't enough chrome, that he had that capability, was a lot of the reason we chose this wheel. There's also beadlock rings, simulated beadlock rings that are available in both a raw finish, black, blue, and red. So if you're looking for a wheel that you really can customize and make it your own, this is a great choice. As far as tire goes, it's a 37, 1250, 18. This is the Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is our #1 selling tire. If you go watch all of our videos, you'll see this tire's in almost every video. Not only because it looks great, but it rides great. American made in almost every size. They balance great. Our tire guys, they're so happy when they get a Nitto versus getting some Chinese entry-level tire. And then the last part I'll talk about is fitment, okay? So these wheels are a +18 offset, which is a 5 3/4 inch backspace, okay? It sticks out just a hair outside the fender. You can see that there. This is our most popular fitment. If you're looking for the least amount of trimming or modification, stick with a +18 offset. The further you get to a 0, so you have +12 offset, which is also a 5 1/2 inch backspace. It looks really good on this truck. We've done lots of that fitment. And there's also a 0. The 0 is going to be your most aggressive, right? It's 3/4 inch difference between this. So if you want to go more aggressive, there's some education there for you on offset choice. But if you want the least amount of rubbing, least amount of dirt and grime going up the side of your truck, this is probably the right choice for you. We do a couple different things depending on wheel choice, right? I just went through some offset options for you. First, I want to show you, because we went with a +18 offset, we can do the least amount of modifications. So simple trim here along the front bumper, looks totally stock, which I love it. And then on the back side, totally stock. Nothing, you can tell. No trimming, no cutting, nothing here. The more offset, more aggressive you get with your offset, meaning the further out you go. We also have a Fender pullback kit that we typically do on most trucks. We also have what we call a Mudflap delete kit, which will delete the length. It's shorter, and it also is tucked back in. We have both a 2-piece or a 6-piece, which will take care of the rear. So that kind of sums up the front. Let me show you here in the back. So the 4-inch McGaughys kits come with a 1 3/4 inch fabricated powder coated block for under the rear leaf. Comes with matching U-bolts to go along with it, and it also comes with a shim pack. The shims go in between the leaf springs. Now, almost all of the trucks, we don't use the shims. I like the fact that McGaughys gives you some choices, right? Some guys want the rear a little bit higher. You don't have to go buy a different block and U-bolt kit. It comes with everything you need. So if we're shipping you this kit, just know you're gonna have some options there. If you're not sure what to do, feel free to call us. Always when you're installing these kits, you take measurements from the very get-go for your front and rear wheels. Do the front end and then take a new measurement. You're gonna be able to dial in exactly what you wanna do for height. This also has the M84 shock in the Reservoir in the rear, along with the 37s. So this is our bread and butter package. If you have an HD, you're not sure what kit to choose, there's a lot of options out there. There's some other companies that we carry that also have 4-inch kits. There are still some benefits of this kit as far as track width over some of the other competitors. We have just found that this is our go-to kit, go-to tire, top of the line wheel. So I don't think Jeremy did too bad. I think he's going to enjoy his truck, and hopefully we can build yours so you can enjoy yours too. Thank you again for taking the time. Subscribe down below, or we'll talk to you guys soon.